Why you're always irritable, acidic, and overheated? Ayurveda says it's pitta. What if your acidity, irritability, intense hunger, skin problems, and feeling constantly overheated are actually connected? So, meet Ima. She skips meals, drinks too much coffee, works under pressure, and by the evening she's acidic, irritated, and exhausted. She thinks it's just stress, but Ayurveda says it may have another pattern that is aggravated pitta. Today, let's understand pitta and its five subtypes. Namaste, I'm Dr. Supriya, an Ayurvedic practitioner based in the UK. I simplify authentic Ayurveda into practical, easy to understand advices. If you're interested in Ayurveda, women's health and wellness, and natural health, don't forget to subscribe. What is Pitta? Ayurveda describes three doshas Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Pitta is made up of mainly fire and water. Think of fire. Its job is transformation. Similarly, Pitta governs digestion, metabolism, body temperature, vision, and many aspects of mental processing. Balanced pitta gives you good digestion, clarity, courage, and intelligence. But excessive pitta can manifest as acidity, inflammation, irritability, and overheating. The five subtypes of pitta. Pachak pitta, the digestive fire. Pachak pitta is primarily located in the digestive tract. It helps digest and transform food. When balanced, healthy appetite and digestion. And when aggravated, acidity, heartburn, burning sensation, excessive hunger, or loose stools. Ranjak Pitta, the transformer. Ranjak Pitta is associated with the liver and the transformation of nutrients, and it's traditionally linked with blood formation and complexion. It represents an important aspect of the body's transformative process. Sadak Pitta, the mind. Sadak Pitta is associated with the heart and mental functions such as intelligence, understanding, courage, and emotional processing. Balanced, focused, confident, and clear. If it's excessive, impatient, overly critical, frustrated, or perfectionist. Alochak Pitta, the vision. Alochak Pitta is associated with the eyes and vision. It helps us perceive the worldly visual. Sadak Pitta, the mind. Sadak Pitta is associated with the heart and mental functions such as intelligence, understanding, courage, and emotional processing. When balanced, focused, confident, and clear, excessive, impatient, overly critical, frustrated, or perfectionistic. Alochak Pitta, the vision. Alochak Pitta is associated with the eyes and vision. It helps us perceive the world visually. When Pitta is aggravated, Ayurvedic principles associate this with the heat, irritation, or sensitivity affecting the eyes. Brajak Pitta, the skin. Brajak Pitta is associated with the skin. It supports processes related to complexion, temperature, and transformation of substances applied to the skin. When aggravated, you may notice a tendency towards redness, sensitivity, or heat related skin concerns. Connecting everything? So, remember Ima. Her acidity, irritability, intense hunger, and skin sensitivity may look like separate problems, but Ayurveda looks at the pattern underneath the symptoms. And that's the beauty of understanding Pitta. We don't want to eliminate Pitta. We need Pitta. We simply want to keep it balanced. So, the takeaway is if you frequently experience acidity, excessive hunger, feeling overheated, irritability, skin sensitivity, or burning sensation, it may be worth looking at your pitta. But remember, symptoms alone can't tell you your dosha or diagnose a condition. So, your prakriti is unique. So, the personalized Ayurvedic assessment always matters. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more authentic Ayurveda explained simply. Until then, Stay cool, stay balanced, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.